over here in the retail part of the store where the food prep is, just outside the rotisserie. Going down a floor clean out that's connected to the grease string. So I'm moving forward easily. The line is still cleared. There's just some debris in there, which is expected. It's not full of water, which is good. This looks like it's the main line going straight towards the rotisserie and tying in. I'm still able to go forward fairly easily. It's just blocking the view of the camera. And right there, I'm at a stop.